welcome back to my channel. It's a different setup. Yeah, my sister just bought this chair and I was like, I really like it. This is a really cute filming area. First thought. I was like, I'm gonna come in here and film because how cute. I love this chair. I'm gonna take it if I can. In today's video, I am going to be doing a what I eat in a day video. So since I did my fitness routine this week, I decided to also do like a what I eat in a day video college edition because I thought, you know, okay, that kind of goes with the same flow of the week and I liked it. So yeah, I thought it was something that was interesting. And I always am switching up things, you know, depending on the day, you know, if I have school, if I don't have classes, then all that kind of stuff. But pretty much this is just like, you know, my favorite go-to quick and easy meals that I make for days that I do have like class and that are like super easy, super fast, and I'm still getting everything I need to get in my day. They're so good. I totally recommend all these meals. This is actually the second time I'm filming this video because the first time I filmed it, all of my footage was corrupted and gotta move on. You just have to. You cannot stay negative about those kinds of things because they happen. And yeah, I was like, okay, well, you know, I guess I gotta film it again. So this was my second time filming this entire video, and it was pretty exhausting, pretty stressful in the moment to try and get this all done in time so that it could go up. If y'all don't know, I've kind of set on a good filming schedule with my how my classes are going now, and Mondays and Fridays are my filming schedule, and I have a vlog going up next Monday. And if y'all really like it and y'all want me to do that, then I'm still gonna post 2 days a week, and then 1 day a week I might post a third video on like Wednesday or Thursday, something like that, and do a vlog. I could do like a daily vlog once a week, not every week, but you know, every other week or something like that. So if that's something I want to see and y'all enjoyed the vlog whenever it does come out, then you know, just let me know. Give that video a thumbs up, give this video a thumbs up, just subscribe, comment down below, turn your notification bell on. Just do all the things that every YouTuber tells you, just do it on this channel and we'll be good. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this video and let's get into it. Every morning I have to start off with my medium roast coffee, and I'm obsessed with the vanilla caramel creamer. It's literally the best.
Don't know what it is you do to me. Where you go, I follow.
I have been really into just egg whites lately, especially if I'm having bacon or sausage. I'm really liking the egg whites because they're just definitely a lot healthier. Bacon, I'm not picky on any kind of bacon I use. And then honestly, I just get the shake and pour and pour it into the little bowl, because if you just keep the shake and pour in the fridge, it gets bad so easily. And my sister got me this waffle maker for Christmas, and I use it literally every morning.
3 and 4, looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8, ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4, looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8, ready for that heartbreak. I missed you, give me that kiss now. I just wanna hold you close to me. I really like you. Do you like me? Don't you want?
So this meal is definitely something that I love for lunch, or even if you cut it up and you have like 2 or 3, they are great snacks. A lot of people will call them pinwheels, and this is kind of like my version of like a little wrap. I know there's not a lot on it, and you can add, take away whatever you want. That's what's so cool about these, is they can be personalized pretty much. I think that they're so good, and I forgot to take a picture of like the end product, but honestly it's so good, and a lot of times I'll add spinach. I just didn't have any, but totally recommend this.
Yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak. Yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak. 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 where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. There's you.
So this is my version of a stir fry bowl. I get the P.F. Chang's rice, which I buy mine at Target. I don't know where else has them. I think Kroger does too. And scramble up 2 eggs, add some soy sauce, and you're good to go. You can add shrimp, chicken, and it's such a good dinner meal. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and you know, like I said before, if you do enjoy these videos and y'all love watching, you know, me talk to y'all on a camera and YouTube, then give this video a thumbs up and I will continue to make more videos, create new content for y'all. Also, I feel like I should say I cut my hair and dyed it, and yeah, y'all will see that in my vlog, and I'll have like the girl that does this, I'll have her stuff linked in there. And so yeah, but anyways, I will see y'all in next week's video. Mwah! Bye.
You're calling, I'm falling.